Hello everyone, welcome to Kaia DApp Bootcamp. The goal of this bootcamp is to introduce you to blockchain fundamentals, Kaia blockchain, and also getting started building decentralized application on Kaia. We'll start by going over blockchain fundamentals, like I said, then we'll move over to smart contracts with a focus on learning solidity. We'll take some examples and also explain solidity fundamentals. Then we'll move over to setting up our front-end project for our decentralized application by exploring various frameworks and libraries such as Next.js, Tailwind CSS, Rainbow Kit, and also Wagmi. Right. So in this bootcamp, we'll be building a FundMe smart contract and also a front end that interacts with this already deployed smart contract. What we want to achieve is for you to get a feel of how deploying smart contract works and also how to build a front end that interacts with this already deployed smart contract, which of course is the essence of this bootcamp. We have built this course as a starting ground for you. Essentially, this is an introductory course for you to get started building on Kaya. You can also solidify your learning by exploring the various resources and tons of resources on YouTube to understand in-depth blockchain solidity and also the different development environments, frameworks, and also libraries, SDKs available in the ecosystem, right? Also, are there any prerequisites for this bootcamp? Right, so let's quickly jump into some of the prerequisites. Right, so you quickly want to set up your MetaMask. You need an account which will be used for interacting with smart contracts and also signing transactions. Right, ensure this is a test account and it has no real funds. And so for this purpose, we'll be connecting to Kairos testnet, which is a simulation of the mainnet basically. And also you need test Kaya, which is the native token of the Kaya blockchain, right? So for you to get this, you have to visit the file set. The link is in the description. Next is the needed environment. So for this bootcamp, anyone with Mac OS, Linux, and Windows can follow through this tutorial, right? So and also ensure to have installed Node.js version 20 and above. So if you want to get support, if you have any questions, or if there's anything you like us to talk about, write about, or you basically want to see something on Kaya Docs or Kaya YouTube channel, kindly jump to our Discord and mention this in our Discord channel. If you need any developer support or question or query, the Discord channel is the right place to go. So that'll be all today. Thank you very kindly and see you in the next video.